Hi friends, in this video I'll be showing three methods to open Google Play Store, then search and install apps and games. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, please like and share the video. Method 1. Go to settings, set the settings icon, go to apps, go to see all apps, go down and select show system apps. From this system apps list we need to find Google Play Store. Go down, there we would be able to find Google Play Store. Select it, select open. So this is the Google Play Store. Here on top we can see apps tab, then games tab. We also get this search. Here we can search for apps and games, then we can install it from Google Play Store. This is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Go to home screen, then go to apps tab. Here we can search. In the search field we can search for apps and games. It will automatically search in Google Play Store. From there we can install apps and games. We also get app categories here. You can utilize app categories to select an app. Okay, so this is a method 2. Let me go to method 3. Method 3. We can use this global search. In this global search field, we can search for apps, games, movies, shows, everything. When we search something here, it would search in Google Play Store as well. Okay, so this is a method 3. So these are the three methods. So please try this.